Heyo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Happy Thursday. How y'all doing? All right. Black Shadow, what's up? Good morning. Stefan, hello. Munib, Johnny, Cyrus, the Market Maker, what up? Connor, Brohi, Kyle, Christos, more, AW, Olivier, Miguel, Jim, Christopher, Florida, Dan Vong. Can't log in an Trader? I don't know, man. Sakura Studios, what's up? Don, Lieutenant Dingle, what's up? Grizz, how you doing? Ruben, Alberti, Nabil, Leon, KDD, Scoot, Camille, Florida, Gerg, Sebastian. Heyo. How we all doing? How we all doing? So, nice two-sided action yesterday. And wicked awesome sell-off. I don't know what happened during Globex here, like 1 a.m. my time. I don't know if there was some global news or something. I wasn't even paying attention. Decent amount of news this morning that came out. We had initial jobless claims. Those were lower than forecast. And the perfect tap of the 15-minute demand zone. Usually, on such a big move, I wouldn't think 15-minute demand zone would offer much, but it also ended up being 300 psych levels. So it was a pretty good, probably more of a 300 bounce than a 15-minute demand zone bounce if we're going to get technical about things. And then a nice bounce up to 90-minute supply. Shayak, what up? Matt, good morning. John, how you doing? Parshov, what's up? Dan, good morning. Man, I tell you what. Yesterday was interesting. I was a little frustrated because I left a lot of money on the table. I'm that small account. I've been trading on my phone. It's a $600. I think I started the month with $600 in it. Exited my Q puts yesterday, and then I'm watching SPX yesterday. Let me find the right day here. Wednesday. I bought XPX puts. Sorry, calls. At the bottom at 10.55. So, like right around here, I bought SPX calls. And if you know SPX, those will freaking, it's the Widowmaker. But it's either going to make like a fortune or you're going to get wrecked. And I sold it 5 minutes later for like $800 gain. When if I held it, it's like 300% return or something. Wild. So I was pleased that I caught very early long because we ended up grinding higher the rest of the session. But I was really kicking myself for selling early. Similar happened on my personal account. I was long at a similar spot. I wanted to target 500. Forgot to move my stop loss up because I was focusing on this SPX trade. And it took profit on a quick pop, and I was disappointed because it was such a nice entry, and I wanted to hold it. Because I hold to 500 would have made that account a ton of money, my personal account. It would have made my account like $2,000 or something like that. Would have been a huge move, 250 points. Anyway, so I had a few good reads on it, but I felt a little disappointed with the amount of money I left on the table yesterday. What's up, Jake? How you doing? Chicken K. Hey, Eddie. What up? Midnight, how you doing? Miguel, you want to see a nice fake out move up, then a sell off around 10:15 Eastern time. Works for me. Dom, what's up? Hi. All right. Well, let's have a great day. Two more trading sessions this week. Let's have a good one. At the money on those, I think I went a little bit out of the money on the SPX calls because I didn't have a lot of money in the account. Or I risked $2,000 on it. on one contract. So I think I went a little out of the money. How did GeoGuessr go yesterday? It actually went, I think it went pretty well. I don't know, if I recall, it wasn't as strong as the previous 2 sessions, but it was not bad. It wasn't embarrassing or anything. What up, Nathan? How you doing? What's up, Griffin? What up? Let's check in on my IQ puts. Got 1 left. Did I lose my Q drawings? No, I didn't. Okay. We're at a 200-day moving average there on Qs. They're at $37. Bought it for $7.91. So about $3,000 on the remaining contract there. Still holding. Been very patient on that one. It's been 2 weeks, I think. QQQ is the equivalent of NASDAQ 100. Yeah. It's an ETF. The ETF is around 490, 491, 492. 492 is about where Qs are at right now. So one thing I'm looking at, VIX. VIX is already higher than yesterday's high, and we have not yet hit PDL. PDL. Oh, I think I accidentally deleted my my study for PDL here. Yeah, PDL's down here in 215, 216, 215 and a quarter, I think. Let's see 300 retest here. I'd like to see that act as some resistance. How much do you risk per trade? On my personal account, tends to be usually around $100 to $200, depending on how much I like the setup. Okay, I think what triggered, maybe the timing's wrong, but I think what, well, maybe not. I was thinking part of the sell-off was the ECB lowering rates. They cut interest rates. All right, looking for 300 retest here. I also have a fresh 100K combine I might look to take some trades on Topstep X. What up, Savvy Talk? How you doing? I'm using the VIX futures. High from yesterday. 2173. See, we're already trading above there. I'm gonna get in on one here. I didn't get the entry I want, so if we do get a little higher, I'm gonna add to the position. So if we do work our way up to 300 and sellers reload, I'll enter maybe just under 300 for an ad there. See, I think PDL is a good target, but I might go for even lower. Okay, so 1 hour demand tap there. Something is rising and it ain't the sun. It's not my heart rate. My heart rate's pretty good. All right, so 1 hour demand, tap, a little bounce. Yes, a 30-minute demand there too. How much is the size of the funded account? I have 3 100K accounts. The combine is 100K as well. All right, there's 300. I want to make sure that rejects, I'll add. And if we get back above, I'll probably stop at around 320 here. I'll give it 321 just in case. We'll call it 323. 323. What's up, Cryptic? How you doing? Close to getting stopped here. Get back under 300. I'm going to sell short on the combine. I'd like it to close first. All right. recently started taking steroids, and I generally have not been trading as well. I don't know why. Maybe emotionally. Yeah, maybe. Have you been roid raging? I mean, I can definitely mess with you. Might be a stop here. All right. Stop on the combine there. Bummer. 91 exit. That sucks. I'm passing the combine if it just hits these lows, I think was all needed. Again, I think stop was a touch too tight, man. It is tricky getting just right and getting the momentum you need before you get the stop. It's a little tricky. What's up, Chester? Hi, buddy. With this volatility, your stop's really tight. I mean, I just mentioned that. Yeah, I'm still short on my personal account here. Sitting in drawdown though. Keeps coming close to my stop loss. It's at 323. Not loving things so far. Thing is, I think the leg down still looks really good. I mean, we're heading down there now, but especially with ES. ES is looking a little bit better too. And 300 was a good level to watch for in this previous lows, but a lot of these candles keep overlapping, right? So we're not getting the continuation just yet, which means you need the wider stop to stay in. So with this one micro trade, you know, it's a 60-point stop. 60 points is considerable. Definitely more than I ever do on a mini or anything like that. So the size helps me have a little bit more staying power in this trade. I'd like to see us slice through PDL. All right, Cryptic. Maybe enough of the steroid talk. Maybe consult a physician. Another bounce down here. Low day from yesterday is right there. Right there. Should be able to at least sweep that, you know. I think this price action has been awesome for the past 2 weeks, for the most part. Most days have been awesome, in my opinion. Nice job, Griffin. Well, you should stay on the short side, you know, for the most part. It's been some really, really large down moves. So, in my opinion, I like shorting, especially, and it's been fun. Why did you short 250? I wanted to see us retest the lows right here and 300. And if it rejected there, I was going to get in short. And it did, so I got in short. Let me take that back. It didn't actually get all the way up there, now that I remember. Okay. We got a little close, and I was like, well, let me get in with one. And then if we actually get up there, I'll get in again a bit higher. And it was a little whipsawy, so I never got back in with the ad. But the plan was to add a second contract, or even 2 contracts maybe, to be in for 3 total, on a clean rejection of 300 in the previous low. But it's been a little too whipsawy for me to want to add size to this just yet. This is my personal account. Yeah, the last 2 weeks, well, if you, not maybe from a futures perspective, but definitely from options perspective, I've done well with a few little swings here and there. I mean, so yeah, P&L wise, for sure, the options have been putting me up very nicely on the year so far. I like that rejection of 300 there. But I won't really feel that comfortable because of all these, look at these overlapping candles. Yeah, I think P&L wise, just taking in options into account. With options, I'm up about $8,700 at the moment for the year. Why not switch to options full time? I mean, who knows? If I'm trading options full time instead of just like every once in a while I'll find something, maybe I'm not as successful, Maybe I'm a better swing trader. I don't know. You really do need over 25K to really trade like I want to trade. And do I want to dump? I'd much rather make it than deposit it. You know what I'm saying? I'd much rather do that. So that's my goal right now, is to try to just grow the account over there, then maybe do a little bit more. Yeah, Taylor, yeah. Which indicator do you recommend? I recommend VWAP. It's my favorite indicator. Well, we're just range bound for the time being. I mean, we feel very confident we'll break out shortly, but my stop is at 323. It's been threatening. What's up, Evan? How you doing? ES is kind of looking like we're just gonna grind on up to VWAP. So I took the exit there. That's just 1 micro, so it's all right. 60-point loss, but you know, 1 micro, minimal damage, you know. It's $2 a point. So, will be interesting to see if ES can grind through the 80s. It looks choppy. Time to short? Question mark, question mark. I don't know, man. Maybe. Unclear. Unclear. Ask again later. Everyone blowing their funded account today? I hope not. Don't be afraid to not trade it. I got my 3 funded accounts, no trades on those today yet. Honestly, I'd rather, you know, sometimes I'd rather take the loss on a personal account. Because the personal account doesn't require any extra effort beyond making a deposit. I'm not passing any test to start making real money. How to use VWAP to trade? That's a good gauge of price, you know, like it's giving you a good indication of where we are, what market participants view as kind of fair value for the day. It's great for retests. It's great for buying the dip. If we dip to VWAP real quick, a lot of times we'll get a nice little buy up on there. Price above VWAP, you're looking for longs kind of thing. Sometimes, kind of depends on the type of day we're having. I don't mind longing down here under VWAP for sure. There's some great reversals that you got to get in well below VWAP if you want to have a really great risk reward on those, and it requires getting in a little early. Some people trade like that though. I don't necessarily. Sometimes I do use that as gauge though. Like I'll say, okay, I want to see this break through VWAP. I want to see it hold on a retest, and then I'll get in short. Something like that. What is your strategy, bro? Is it break? I trade lots of different strategies. It's price action, key levels. You know, there's reversals in there. There's just trading some momentum. Trading break and retest. You don't have to overcomplicate things. It doesn't have to be a complicated strategy for it to work. You just have to be good at managing your risk, managing your emotions, taking a loss, being okay with it. And it can be like the simplest strategy. Do you still trade options? I was just talking about it. Options is what I've been most successful at this year so far. So yeah, I mean, I do love options. Sometimes I hate them, but in general, I still like options. There's a decent edge when you have hundreds of equities to choose from, compared to just trading an index or two. think it's going to retest previous support and continue bearish. Well, the question is, what support are you wanting it to test? Because that's what I was looking for too. I was looking for just the low, overnight lows, right around 300. I want to see that retest and a continuation lower. And we moved all the way up to 44s, 344s. So we'll see. See if we can get the knife down here soon. What's up, Mike? I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Just waiting for the NFL season. It's too short, man. It always feels so. Like, obviously, no player wants longer seasons, you know. But just from a fan perspective, it just you know, you spend all year waiting for September, and then next thing you know, Super Bowl's over, and you're like, wait, it just goes by so fast, man. Like basketball or hockey, like, man, I feel like hockey is in season like 9 months out of the year. Like, they play so many games in hockey. I think it's nuts. But it's probably kind of fun if you're a fan. Which NFL player earns the most? Some quarterback. A lot of times, like not a mid-tier quarterback, but like upper mid-tier quarterback will just haul in some crazy salary. And you're like, what? Like, I remember Ravens gave Flacco like at the time, I think it was like a record-breaking salary. I'm like, dude, he's not it, man. Like, he's fine, but like, he wasn't. It's not like he was the best player in the NFL, you know. I've taken one trade on the personal account, one trade on the combine so far. Ghost. Yeah, Ronaldo earns $100 million. I don't. No NFL player makes $100 million a year from their contract. You know, I think I haven't really kept up with it, but like, was Deshaun Watson really $230 million? Because that's like such a big L. F in the chat for the Browns. I think, you know, a quarterback, you know, if they get like 60. I don't know why that's in my head. 160 million. That'd be for like several years, you know. What's up, Neil? How you doing? How does the consistency rule work with payouts with Topstep? Like, if I run a balance up 58K, then take a payout of 2,000, my next payout is based on what consistency? Eddie, do you have an answer for that? I don't. I'm trying to remember with their new. I don't think there's an issue. Yeah, I don't think there's a consistency rule like that for an XFA. I'm trying to think of what they recently implemented. There's no consistency rule. It's not like Apex or something. All right, I'd like to see a knife lower here, back under 300. I'm gonna try this again with one micro here. I definitely want to see us push PDL. I don't really want to answer questions I can easily Google or just like go to their website. Topstep is $49 for a 50K combine. No, I've never tried MFFU. No. A little volatility there. Spiking up. Should have tagged me out there, but it was quick. So I did not take the get stopped there on this one. But you can see it went through my stop there. There it goes. That's how you can lose more money than you intend when there's volatility. Do you sell a course? No. Why would I sell a course? If I pass my comment, can I have more than $200 a day? Yeah, of course. You can make $1,000 a day. All right. So just chopping around 300 here. Is there a max you can make a month? No. Well, there's like in the fine print of the XFA, like there is like a max you can make. Right, Eddie? Isn't it like 30,000? I don't remember. There is like, yeah, technically a max. My face disappeared because I was dropping frames. When I drop frames, everyone just says how, oh my gosh, your stream's lagging, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, max payout per week is 5K with Topstep, 5K per account. So if you have 5 accounts, that's 25K. Yeah, 99% of the time the payout cap is 50,000. Thanks, Eddie. Well, my looks like my connection's better now. I'll turn the camera back on. I think someone else was having NinjaTrader problems, Olivier. So if you're having issues, it might be something system-wide. I don't think it's 50K a month. I think it's 50K for like the life of the XFA, and then they're gonna move you to a live account. Yeah, and after 5 payouts, they move you to funded, yes. Yeah, I think maybe they mentioned it on stream or something, but there's someone posted it in Discord. They're gonna have a sale soon. All right, move higher there on NAS and yes. Got VWAP right overhead here and some 90-minute supply. Be good to see who's, if like sellers want to reload. Who's snoring? Oh, it's Chesterfield in the background. What color is your Bugatti? I would never spend that much money on a car, bro. Unless I made like $100 million. I would never spend that much on a car. Nice VWAP tap. Well, you've never been able to deny the move to live, as far as I know. You could just choose to cash out, I think, at, you know, whatever, but... Color's your Honda? No, it's a Subaru. I got a black Subaru out back. What up? It's a good car. Alright, so again, 90-minute supply, VWAP. Watching to see if there's any sellers here. What's up, Zachary? How you doing? I'm in Chicagoland. I have multiple sources of income, yeah. Trading is not my main source. Not yet. Working on it. Here's VIX. Right around the high of day yesterday. This is the red line I drew here. So as long as VIX, VIX gets back under here in the mid 21s, should get a nice rally over VWAP. If you had 100 million, you'd manipulate the market, so I would always be right and think I'm the shit. I'm cool with that, man. Go for it. Just, yeah, that sounds like fun. Let's do it. You win the Powerball, you hit me up. We'll have some fun. All right, poking through VWAP now. Got another supply zone here, 2-hour supply zone. See if that offers any sort of selling. If I make a living from trading, what current making a living things will go? None of them. No, dude. When you run your own business, it's scary because it feels like all your eggs are in one basket, right? And especially if it's an online business that relies on another platform like YouTube. You never know. I don't know. Whatever reason, your videos stop getting views. People stop clicking. Maybe they change their AdSense or whatever, You never know. So that's why you want to diversify things as much as possible. So that you're not getting wrecked if one little thing changes. Still, you don't want to get foreclosed on because there's some you're not making YouTube shorts, and that's the way you have to. That's the only way to get views is making YouTube shorts, So we're now in the mid 21s on VIX, and we are grinding through 400 in VWAP. Yeah, that 15-minute candle, let's get a little measurement of it. It's only halfway through right now, but it's a 175-point candle. So, market really got a little lift off there off 250s. Pretty good. Pretty good. Got these little tops here from overnights. Tapped into that. Where'd my VWAP go? Why don't I see VWAP? There it is. VWAP disappeared for a second. $400 retest here. Sitting on VWAP, ES coming into VWAP as well for its retest. Ideally, VWAP holds here, and then I'd probably pull the trigger on something. If we slice right back through VWAP, I don't like that scenario as much. Got 10 seconds on this candle. I want to see how it closes, and then might pop long in the combine. All right, I'll give this a go here. Probably just trail if we get the push. Your hero shorting right now after a VWAP break and retest. All right, good luck. The guy you short from 93.5. I'm not shorting this. This is too strong. Okay, push away now. Push. Break even. No, Contrarian got two stop outs with a larger than usual loss. Well, I might get back in again here. All right, I'll try again here. Stop under VWAP. Problem is, I don't like these, they're running into this little area here. We just have all these little spots in here that were rejected. I think I just have to be a little patient. And hope my stop is far enough away. I mean, that's probably... that's really far away. Jesse, it depends on your broker's margin requirements. With a 1K account, I would trade with 1 micro. What's up, Rushy? It's going pretty good. Thanks, Jesse. This one's making me sweat. It's making me sweat. I don't know. Don't have a lot of staying power in this one. That DB on this trade, it's a nice... One of the setups I like is when we break through VWAP with a really strong candle, then consolidate on top of it. That's one of my favorite setups. Right? And so, to me, it's bull flagging on top of VWAP. To me, that's a buy. It's that simple. But we... Man, that's a lot of freaking rejections up here in the 20s. It's driving me nuts. It's really got to pop through here. Come on, baby. Jeez, it's really taking a second here. No more rejections, man. Close through this. Close. There it goes. Close through it. Jeez. I'll just put my target at a max profit, and I'll probably, if we do get the continuation, I'll just trail with a stop. Why don't I tighten the stop slightly instead of breaking even? Because I don't see the point so much. I really hate that rejection. I gotta be honest with you. I might just kill this. I'm out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 6 rejections, and it's hard for me to sit in that with 3 minis down 1,000 already. So. Whew. It does kind of feel like a long trap. I wouldn't argue with you there. Oh, it's finally going to close through it. Finally. All right. I almost want to just load up and go with some momentum here and make a quick little bag. Think my targets are too long? No, my targets are good. Sometimes, every once in a while, they're too long, too far away. But I don't remember where I had my target. And like I said, I was just putting it at max profit and would trail. Because you never know. In these conditions, you get these volatility pops where all of a sudden, you pop 100 points and a camera. I read someone else's comment in a minute or two, and you're like, why did might as well have had the take profit way up there. I explained why I closed the trade. It was like 7 rejections in the 420s. I explained it. Kind of want to grab it though. I feel like could be good. I won't do it. Bro, don't make me to freaking explain why I wanted to get out of that. I think it's completely reasonable. When the market presents you with more information than you had previously, you can change your plan according to that information, right? And so when we keep rejecting, and I'm in there with size, I don't have a lot of staying power because of the size. I'm gonna adapt. In hindsight, you could say, "Oh, dude, stay in," but we reject that, and then we slice back down through VWAP. Everyone is saying, "Oh, good kill, man, good kill." Oh, that was a good one, good early kill. Based on analysis, yes. So now I have more things to analyze because there's more information, right? When there's that many rejections, I start feeling uncomfortable with the trade. And I'm thinking, all right, well, we're running into some headwinds here. Might be best to pop out. Right? So the analysis can change as more market presents you with more information. Now, it's honestly just, it's a little distracting for me to try to explain things when I feel like I explained it in the moment. I don't just want to be so caught up with chat that I can't even focus on new opportunities here. It's only the 1 minute time frame. Okay, well, look at this nice doji on the 5 minute. Okay, you see a nice little 5 minute doji. Maybe that's a warning sign to you as well. I mean, you could. I'm not going to belabor the point. Nice move here. It's been a little. It hasn't been that strong, to be honest. 15 minute does look pretty good, but let's see how it closes. We've got still plenty of time on it. We'll check in with VIX here. Cooperating with the move higher. Nice job, Chris. I figured you're so quiet. I figured you were working your way out of a hole or something. Because usually by, within 15 minutes in, you're like 500 times 3 or 500 times 5 or whatever. But yeah, the open sucks, so Gave you a little extra work to do, but nice job. That's kind of how I felt yesterday, Grizz. Except I didn't keep moving my TP. I kept moving my stop loss, and getting in my own way with it. All right, so back to VWAP now. 15-minute could turn into a bearish hammer. Nice buy up off VWAP there. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, what's the upside target? 500? I'm trying to figure out what's a good level for us to at least sweep, or we got the pivot. Got daily supply way up there. I think there's potential. To get up there. I'm gonna try see if I can join the party here. $625 is your target? Ooh, that's a big move. We're at previous week low right now. No, I get in long, it's time for it to reject, that's right. Gotcha, Chris. Maybe we push to pivot, something like that. Could be good. All right, I'll take a stop there. Interesting if we, I wonder if we end up topping out here. I don't know. I was not a big dude. I have no idea what you're talking about. I was not in the green on that trade. Dude, I was not a big on that trade. What the fuck are you talking about? I entered at 457. And it friggin' pretty much never went green on me. How are you gonna tell me about my own trades? I know, dude. It's just a waste of my energy to try to like defend every fucking thing I do. This is why I like trading off stream. No one fucking bothering me. Just do whatever I want, not to explain everything to everybody. Toronto, you're in short. You're gonna diamond hand it. Yeah, I think that's. Let me just pull up the daily here. Yeah, Jake. Always. All right, let's look at it. Let me figure out. Okay, yesterday's candle. Where's the mid? I want to know the midpoint of the range. $470, is that it? Interesting. So we did turn around at the midpoint of yesterday's range. So let's see if that holds. Could be a good spot to see more downside. What's HRV? I don't know what HRV is. Perfect triangle flag pattern. Yeah. Yeah, we could just mark it up, right? Heart rate variability. I wouldn't know How to go about measuring that, maybe. I mean, what would that tell you exactly? Like when someone's trolling me, my heart rate goes up. I already know that. You like flags? I don't like about them is they're so 50-50. You know, it's like, all right, we're going to break down, you know, like if we poke above the flag and then you're like, you know, you're waiting for that, then you're long, and then it's just a little fake out and you're back under, so then you're short, but then that, you know, I just feel like it can get you a little chopped up maybe. But maybe if you wait, I guess, for the, I don't know, like a candle to close, and I don't know. Let's check in with the rest of the time frames in ES. ES kind of doing its own thing a little bit here. New highs there on ES. See if we can get a move up with ES. There we go. Nice. $500 incoming. What up, Tyler? How you doing? Carmine just got 29 points on this. Pretty nice. Well, I wanted to move up to the pivot. Didn't give it enough room. So no money for me. Did you catch that breakup, Brad? of your flag. Excuse me. Retest IBH here. Smackdown. Crazy can't invite people, you silly goose. Trying to be patient here for something else to set up. I was a little late on when I was considering this flag update. I was considering this flag break. I was a little late to pull the trigger. Nice bread. Yeah, ended up being really clean, dude. You like 440 for a re-entry laws? Someone else does too. Are these your orders sitting here, laws? Nice, Brad. Get paid. Your instance 269 and adding. Well done. Should be a really nice day for you then, huh? I'm in one long here, just to see if we can get the push to daily supply. Seems like it's about to knife. Why do you say that? Doesn't look too knifey to me. 15 looks good. 5 looks alright. I like the retest, the IBH hold, retest a high. I like that. $15 looking very knifey? Oh, not to me. You think it's gonna break previous day high? Oh man, that's like 720s. That's a ways away. He's not wrong with the knife. You guys really think it's gonna knife? All right. Well, we put a dojin on the 5. You know what that means. I mean, it looks all right to me. I don't see the knife potential yet. Doesn't mean I'm right, but I just don't see it. So, you know, as I say, I can only trade what I see. I don't see it, so. kind of like about it is like on the 5 minute, which I don't really usually care about 5 minute demand, but like I like this little spike down here to the wick of the 5 minute candle there, and subsequent buy up. So let's see if we can get another push through 520. Well, DJ Runzy gave back 7 days of profits today. Been there. That was me last Friday. It's really frustrating when that happens. What up, Snow Leopard? How you doing? Looks like it's going to come tag me here. I'll take the stop. So, Laws, you mentioned 440. You still like 440? If trading was easy, we'd all be rich. No, if trading was easy, it wouldn't make you any money. If trading was easy, you'd do the same thing for like $1. Okay, all right. Okay, so just thinking through this. Sweep at 500. Maybe back down. See if this trend line has any hold in it. Well, ES is at IBH right now. NAS at the trend line. 440. See if it holds. I'm just gonna see if I can get a little bit of a bounce here. It's 2 minis. Come on, bounce, bounce. Nope, tagged out. Yeah, stops tight, yep. IBH, not IBS. IBS is a different problem. IBH is a 60-minute opening high. Opening range high. Initial balance high. Under VWAP, you're getting 0 TTEQ puts until PDL swept. I like it, man. I would probably join you on that. It's looking a little bear flaggy right now to me. In short here. Here's VWAP. $493 strike. I just pulled up the option chain here. I'll join you, man. I'll get might wait a second here. Like I said, knife down to 406. Nice call, Laws. I mean, for those of you saying look knifey, good on ya. That's all I can say. Good on ya. All right. Okay. I got him at $1.65, Grizz. What'd you get him at? $1.61, nice. Okay. Cool. I like it. I like the play. Thing is, I actually don't know. Ooh. Shit. I just realized. Did I get 0 DTs? And can I do any day trades? I think I might be close to taking as many day trades as I can. I wonder how I can find that out. I don't know how many I've taken. Interesting. It's not, it's a margin account. I literally don't know where on here it says. Well, they can remove the flag at least once, so if I do get flagged, I'll remove it. Have I traded futures on Robinhood? No. I don't see the point. I don't have any money in my Robinhood account anyway. So I'm still sitting short, did not take any profit. You're suspended for 90 days for breaking the PDT rule. Yeah. I think I'm good. I don't think I've done too many. Let me look it up. Let me look at my trade confirmations or something. Today's the March 6th. Okay, so... Okay, I didn't do a day trade there. Yeah, it should be good. Good. Yeah, I think I've only done one day trade in the past 5 days or whatever. Why not keep it a cash account? Because I don't even think I set the account up. Maybe I did. I don't know. I set it up like a year ago and wasn't sure what I would do with it. I hope it doesn't tag me out here. I still like this. I still like the short side. It does look like it's coming to get me though, doesn't it? What option did you get? 493 strike. Go to your investing settings and scroll all the way down. All right, tagged out there, break even. Investing. Wait. Account settings. Investment settings. I don't know, man. I don't see it. But I'm good. I'm good. I haven't done too many day trades. Bummed I did not get anything off that short because the entry was very good. But again, I'm looking for the bigger move. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. It's just the way it goes. Nice buy up off VWAP. Sure, our puts are decimated right now, Grizz. But there's still plenty of day left. They just need to get moving ideally soon. Still chance for it to reject here. Yeah, I'm trading my degen account too, Chris. Where, yeah, I would love to keep it rolling and turn it into some Wall Street Bets Wall of Fame. But that's very hard to do. I mean, before this last trade, I think I was up 350%. No, 500%. I'm up 500% on the account going into this trade, so. Real money over here. And then this is this combine over here, which is simulated. So I'm trading both. It's hard to take a small loss with options. Well, you know, depends, I guess. I mean, if you're slinging multiple contracts, yeah. I mean, I know what you mean. It's harder to get in and out exactly where you want. That's what I like about futures, you know. If I move my stop into the into the green on most of my trades, I've done that plenty of times recently, and it's not gone well. I mean, yeah. So there's like a few different situations where, yeah, taking profit at VWAP is something I would normally do, but with this kind of volatility and stuff, and with it being a combine, you know, I got a great entry here for the short, and yeah, taking profit at VWAP, that makes perfect sense. But I'm really going for the bigger moves that we've been getting intraday, and I don't mind blowing this. You know, like if it was a personal account, I probably would have been in, instead of one mini, I would have been in multiple micros, and I probably would have maybe taken a few off there, but I really don't mind on that one. Just getting the, yeah, I don't like the break-even stop, but I mean, if I stayed in it and it ended up moving all the way down to my target, you know, it's an awesome trade, and it's reasonable to expect both, you know, two-sided action with big moves today. So that's kind of why I don't mind going for the bigger play on this kind of action, you know. Sorry to hear that, Rob. That sucks, dude. It's happened to many of us. I don't really, you know, I want more downside. I don't love the 30-minute. What's the hourly look like? Hourly, okay. Have a little demand down here now. Looking for kind of a head and shoulders to play out here. That's kind of my hope, is that's what this ends up being. That'd be pretty clean. What would I like to see? I'd like to see a reversal now. That's what I'm looking for. So I want signs that that is likely. I'm going to try a short just with one mini now. Let's see, I have about $500 to draw down. Dang, Eddie. Up 7,500 on 3 Express accounts. Bro, well done, man. That's a sick feeling. Good job. Good job, man. So yesterday I was $50 away from the max loss on the combine, and I brought it back up to $1,700 or $1,800 profit. So I'll have to do the same here, kind of with $200 left. Just not really been the best trades from those. Glad you had a good session, Brad. Yes, new highs. Got his pivot just overhead. So that's IBH there on NAS. But yeah, we might be cooked. We'll see. Might be cooked. All right. I'm going to play a little global real quick here. All right, someone give me a country name to start with. Okay, Parshav. Hey, that was a good guess. Very good. All right. Parshav, how well do you know your geography around where you live? I need something 1,300 miles from Kenya. 1,300 miles from Kenya. DRC. Do I need to actually do? Is it? Aren't there two? Is it? Are there two Congos? The Democratic Republic and just regular Congo. Eritrea. Congo ends up being closer. I need something like 830 miles from Congo, so nothing bordering it, right? So, what about Chad? Nope, not north. Not north. What I said was all East Africa. I think we want to stay maybe around here. I think Mauritania, isn't that up north? I think we want to be South Central area. Anyone hit me with some countries down here? Do I have to type out the whole thing? So no, not bordering. Zambia. Okay, Zambia sounds good. Okay, it's adjacent to the answer. So we could try South Africa. What is South Botswana? So it's something bordering both Zambia and Botswana. All right. Who said Namibia first? Was it Alberti? Did anyone else say Namibia? Well done. Well done. So 7 guesses, not bad. Let's try the capitals. Generally much harder. Someone give me a country capital to start with. Country capital. I see Dublin first. 10,000 miles away from Dublin. Well, let's go on the other side of the world, guys. Let's go really far from Dublin. Really far. Jakarta? I don't think that's the capital. Is Jakarta? 8,000 miles from India. Okay. I am watching this, by the way. I am watching this to break. I still want to see short side. Canberra. We can try Canberra. Warmer. Okay. Gee. It's still 23 miles away from Canberra. So, I don't know where that puts us, really. I think New Zealand closer than 2,300 miles away. Moscow, I think New Delhi would be closer to Moscow than Canberra. So we could try Wellington. That to me seems most reasonable. It's warmer. Oh gosh, we're gonna have to do like some small island capital that I don't know the name of. So we are 1,500 miles away from New Zealand is where we're looking. So it's gonna be something probably pretty small. There's like New Caledonia, you know, like there's these really small spots. I think I tried this the other day. Whoops. Yeah, it didn't work. Vanuatu. Capital Fiji is closer, so I'm just working my way through these small islands. What capital of the Tonga? Does it have a capital even? It's so tiny. Or is Samoa? Alright, now back to Fiji. So we did Fiji. What's Nuku'alofa? Let me try this. I don't know how to even type it in here. Yeah, I don't know what Tonga's capital is. Does anyone know Tonga's capital? We gotta be really close here. Really close. Really close to Fiji. If I don't want to, I think, is that the, what's the cap? Is that, I need capital. I'm just going off chat here. We gotta get closer to there. Closer to Fiji. I don't know what the capital of Tonga is. I already did Port Vila. What's the capital of Tonga? I can't type that in. Copy paste this. Whoops. Okay, it was capital of Tonga. It just took me a minute to find out what it was because I couldn't tell on Google Maps. All right. Who was the first person? Lieutenant Dingle. Did you tell me the capital first? Nice job. 10 guesses on that one. All right. Good time with Global there. I would like to see this give us a knife here. I love seeing the viewership drop off anytime I play a fun geography game. Meow. This guy's not even trading? Oh. I'm out. I don't blame you. It's fine. I think geography's fun, though. Yeah, Leon, I think you might be on a delay. We got it. All right. Let's knife this, dog. I'm short my personal account. $200 to draw down here. Last trade on this one, probably, if it's a loss. We'll see. I assume that one's going to be a loss, but. Well, it's actually green. Did anyone do the TradingView Leap competition and finish in the top like 200? Yeah, still holding the puts. Yeah, I'm still holding the puts too. There's still, it'd be too early to hop out, I think. I like the lower high here. I just want it to pay off. Yeah, agreed, Grizz. All right, getting paid here on this one as long as I can get out okay. I've been not getting the bigger move on these ones. So again, I only have $200 to draw down, so I'm sitting at break even here. My entry I like for the greater move lower, so that's why I'm not really even going to take profit on this. If we can like actually get some solid closes through VWAP and hold under it, I would probably add a contract. But I want to make sure that we're not just gonna play this range again. You know, I don't want to see us just, you know, keep bouncing here, which we've seen support here several times. So I want that to give way. Feel a little bit better about this. Planning to take profit at 1 hour demand, that form today, just because it seems like a safe place to do it. Not a bad entry here for only having $200 of drawdown. That's only 10 points, so that's a pretty good entry. Pretty good. I would move now to, you know, I don't want us to bounce too hard here. Then that is just going to really increase the likelihood that we're going to get back up to the highs, which I don't want for a few reasons. Here's VWAP from underneath. Really would love for it to reject. Bounce through it, I'd feel more uncomfortable again. So far, rejection's good. I really just want another heavy red candle here. Personal count, here's just, again, 1 micro. I think that's all I've traded today. I don't think I've traded more than 1 micro. I would consider looking for low of day and just trailing a little bit on that one. Really want it to stay under VWAP. These stupid 400 bounces, man. Got profit on the combine to take off at a 34.25. So giving it a little bit of room on each side of VWAP, on the, you know, the other side of VWAP here. There's IBH on ES. ES might just be getting back up there. It's pretty annoying. Very close to getting stopped out in profit. It would suck to give back, you know, 57 points of profit. So, hoping it just continues on its way down. That's what I want. There we go. That feels better. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'd love to be in the straight with more size now. And look at that. Look at how close it came to stop me out. I'd been really pissed if it tagged me out and did that. Add to the shit. Yeah. I kind of want to, I'm just waiting for this candle to close. See how it's looking. I would not be surprised to see a little bounce here at 28s. That's a decent close. I may look to add here. All right, in 2 now. Really don't want it to bounce anymore. Are the puts in the green yet, Grizz? They look like they should be. Oh, yeah? Let's see. Yeah. Up 161 bucks on these, about 10%. You're up a little bit more because you got in a little lower price. Yeah, mine are 0GT too. I think. March 6th? Yeah, today's March 6th. There we go, up 12%. Well, this trade's finally working out a little bit. We have a little trend line here off the lows. You know, potential bounce spot here in the 50s. Thought process playing reversal, yeah. I'm watching NAS, right? We kind of wanted a head and shoulders here. Kind of have it. And so I was waiting for this to break. Oh, that's a strong bounce. Oh my gosh. Damn. Holy shit. That sucks so hard. Was that some news or some shit? That's really annoying. I don't know. It's 10:30 on the dot, so something's going on there. That sucks, man. That sucks so hard. Rip those puts, right? Right, Grizz? Oh man, that's brutal. And like right at the freaking trend line too, man. I'm glad I moved my personal account to that target. It was kind of late on moving that, but that was just a massive bounce out of nowhere. My gosh. That sucks too. That sucks. Sucks being up that much and finally getting some momentum under VWAP and then wiped out. I was finally feeling like, hey, took a while, but I finally got a good trade. And it was a good trade. But, you know, volatile times, I guess. Trump is speaking great. Thanks, bud. Uh, 30-minute kind of looks somewhat bullish to me. I'm a little leery of that. That may convince me to pop out. That's disappointing. That is disappointing. Could have been a really nice one. Oh well. I don't even know. Like, back under VWAP, do I really want to short that? I don't know, you know? Honestly, the 30-minute makes me think that the long side might be better. Trump says tariffs are off until April 2nd. He's just always keeps pushing the date. I feel like it's not going to happen. So, April 2nd, what is that, almost a month away? All right. Well, it's 10:30. Gotten not really taking any good. I mean, not really had the best trading day. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know. I don't want to get spanked again. Trying to short. And what sucks is, with the ad on that trade, on the combine, with the ad, I had to move my break even down. And had I kept the original take profit, I would have made at least $400, which would give me a little bit more wiggle room from max loss. So still only have $200 about to max loss. So it's not even really right in this area. I don't see it as being a place to get in with only 10 points of risk. So I may have to call things a day. I think I'm gonna go skiing today. I haven't been in 2 years, so I think I'm gonna hit the slopes for a little bit. The hills, the Midwest hills. That's the best we got. Maybe the long side. I might hop out of these puts, Grizz. I don't know about you, but I don't know. Down 368, I think, on these. 428 now. Just the 30 minutes not convincing me to stay in. What else? Anything else look good? Chart-wise? Anyone convince me to stay in this short? I'm not seeing a reason to stay in this right now. Especially if VWAP's holding here. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to close this out for a loss. 27% down. Let me still to close here. What a waste of a day trade. But hey, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Easy come, easy go. I'll mark it out. Just seeing if I get one little push down. Get out a little bit better price. Sold for $1.20. I'm at $1.22 maybe now. Trying to make up the difference because I got in at a higher price than you. Finger on the trigger here. Well, here's VWAP. You enter with 5? Okay. Don't have to rub it in, bro. Hey, wait a second. Wait a second. Alright. Hold on, says Don. I think I'm going to hop out. Oh, here it says. It says day trade count right here. So I've already done 1 of 3. About to push the button here to sell. Sell it, says Druid. All right. Still holding. I think these are back in my entry. These are like at 163 now. Huh. Well. Let's hold the phone for a sec here. Yeah, I'm like break even on these now. See if we bounce here. I'm actually up 5% real quick. I forget, does scaling out affect day trades? Like if I scale out twice, that's only one day trade still, right? So I kind of want to sell like half my position here. I don't hate the 15-minute. Well, I don't know. Think about it, I had bullish news and retraced it already. I know. I mean, those are decent rejection wicks here now on the 30-minute too. So. There we go. Now I'm just bummed I got tagged out on my other shorts on futures. I was looking for 428, or this demand zone here to tap. See what happens there. Before I head out, also, I'm gonna stick around for maybe a little bit longer now that this is doing stuff, but I do want to get my GeoGuessr in before we head out. Here we go, baby. What am I at now on these? Back up to 10% up. Let's go, baby. There we go. Well, I'm just disappointed that I got tapped out with the personal account trade and obviously the combine. That's two minis. I think I would have been up a decent little amount. So I was a little disappointed that we had that news bounce there, but overall glad that these puts are paying me. Close to cracking $4,000 on this account, which is a massive gain. All right, I think I don't want to micromanage the trade. I think I'm going to just play a little GeoGuessr just so that I don't get in my own way here. All right, looks like the EU. Chaos. Are we in some Scandinavian country? Huh. You think it's UK? Someone says Romania. Let's look at the language here. We got It's Germanic looking. Yeah. Pretty sure that's just German, and unless a German speaker wants to correct me or another. It looks German to me. So I would guess Germany. So maybe, I don't know. I've only been to Berlin. I don't know any other place looks like. So maybe we'll just go. Let's go like Frankfurt or something. Or I might go Frankfurt. Let's see how that goes. All right. Oh, okay, we were a different country actually. It was Austria. So looks like Vienna. All right. Well, not bad. Hard for me to do much better than that, being a noob. Blue Lagoon, not the Icelandic one. Mentor Clinic, and then we have a language that I do not recognize. Huh. Okay, who recognizes that? Is that like, are we in like Malaysia or Philippines, Thailand maybe? To me, this looks like Thai. Oh yeah. Pattaya City Hospital. So, does anyone know where Pattaya is in Thailand? Let's see if we can find it quickly. Oh, there it is, Pattaya City. Boom. Hey, that's sick. Feels a little like cheating, but whatever. Boom. 1.6 kilometers away. Sick. Modelo. Was this Mexico? Are we in Mexico, guys? I'm thinking Mexico. Now look at the topography here. A little slight hill, maybe. Slightly hilly. Could be somewhere outside Mexico City, maybe. Coming into demand, 1 hour demand. This is like my first target. I could take a little bit off the put position. I might take 5 off here. Hopefully that doesn't count as a separate day trade from my other scale out. So took 5 off. I think it's more to the south. Mediterranean Shipping Co. All right. You want to go Oaxaca? Oaxaca? I don't know. I feel like we could be on the coast. Puerto Escondido. I was 10 contracts deep. Botan, do you think Uruguay? I want to give you the benefit of the doubt just because you were right on the other one. I'm going to go Mexico, though. Oh, my gosh. I think you were right. Bro, what kind of genius are you? All right, Botan gets the benefit of the doubt every time now. That's like sick, dude. Good job. Good job, man. I apologize for doubting you. It won't happen again. That was unless you played that one already. I mean, that was a terrific guess. Play this game a lot in uni. Well, good job, dude. That was such a good one, dude. All right, real quick, just because it's really fun, let's do one round at a time, Gaster. I'm still in 5 puts on Qs for 0 TTE, so looking for I exited at 1 hour demand. All right. It's a movie. They're making a movie, obviously, or something, something along those lines. Do I work out in the evenings or afternoons? I work out in the afternoons. Forgot about Wordle. We can do Wordle real quick too, but let's knock this out real quick. So Europe is my thought. Maybe Paris. We don't have French though, so maybe Prague. 1890 is a little too early for those cars. This is probably 1930s, 1920s. Look at those ornate buildings. Really nice. And Sudvest Corso. Does anyone recognize this language? That's to me is more like like that's not just straight up German. That's like not Polish. You think that's Berlin? Oh, I can't tell if anyone's just messing with me or not. You know, on chat. But I'll believe you. You sound very confident. The Bundesplatz. All right. You're very confident. We'll go for it. Hallo, Grizz, wie geht's? Wait, that's too Arnold, and he's Austrian. Sorry, that was not good. Southwest Berlin, okay. Well, for the sake of time, we won't spend too much time getting it just right. Let's go there. And then for the year, I'm probably doing 30s. 1932. Yeah, it's 1931. And 2.8 miles away. So just a little bit more east. Very good. Next round. Well, modern as hell. We have Lionheart? Is that what that says? Lionheart, I think. These guys look a little Eastern European to me, potentially. And this says, yeah, Leonhard Nielsen. And some other word I can't see, it's out of focus. Anything look familiar to anybody? Union guys for sure. Moving lower there. Oh, this is maybe Scandinavia. Look at the I don't know what that is, but Spitsbergen. Anyone know that? Is that Norway? Kind of sounds Norwegian to me. Or there's Bergen. Yeah. Norway. Is it just by Bergen, you think? Far north? How far are we talking? It's so freaking big. I mean, we'll quickly scan far north and work our way down. You'd spy Svalbard? Hey, nice drop on spy there. Or NQ. Puts should be doing well. Let's double check. Oh yeah, up 45%. My remaining. Sick. Is it really? You really think it's way up there in Svalbard? I don't see it. I don't see Spitsbergen yet. Am I not going far enough? Okay, for the interest of time, I'm gonna go. It's not way up there, Bear Island. All right, we'll just pick up here. And year, it looks very modern to me. 2021, sure. 2007, and yeah. Oh, I was like, oh, is that where Svalbard is? There's Spitsbergen. Yeah. Okay, I just didn't I mean, it's way up there. Way up there. Bear Island was halfway there? Okay. Wow. Okay, that was not a very good one. I thought Svalbard was way closer to mainland Norway. That was my problem. Okay, what is this, like a World Cup? This is France, right? Is that France? When did France win the World Cup? I'm assuming that is that not France? Is that France? Any other countries have red, white, and blue stripes like that? France 2016? That's what I'm going to go with unless someone tells me different. Two years off is 2018, but 1.5 miles away. That's decent. Okay. This looks like a 70s. It's a 70s lapel right there. Anyone recognize this? Kind of looks like I'm guessing UK. That's not like Buckingham Palace, is it? I've been there once and I don't, it's hard for me to tell. So we'll go London and in the 70s, I think is my guess. Where is it? I don't really remember where it is in London. Where is Buckingham Palace? I don't know. We'll do Westminster. There's Parliament. It can't be far. There it is. Okay. And then I said 70s. I'm going to do like early 70s maybe. 1971. 76. Grizz, you were more spot on. But nah, this location was spot on. All right. I might go ahead and hop out of these. Should I hop out? Should I stay in? I might just stay a little longer. One more round here, and we'll do knockout Wordle. That looks like Trump. And who's that a photo of? Pete Buttigieg or something? So this is probably like a 2016 thing or something. I don't know. Oh no, there's JD Vance. So this is gonna be more recent, 2024-5 probably. And we'll do Washington D.C. There's Capitol Hill. So we got the U.S. Capitol. Let's just do the White House. That's probably where it's at. And we'll do 2024 or 5. I'll guess 2024. It's 2025. All right. But location's right on. So I think this is actually one of our higher scores. This might be the highest score I've gotten, actually. 44,000 out of 50,000. That was fun. Let's see how many viewers I lost. Oh yeah, good amount of viewers. Good. Get on out of here if you don't like learning. Oh man. Puts are printing. I wish I would have stayed in all 10, obviously, but this is smart to scale out. Okay. Oh, that's stupid. The A's not there. So T's probably at the end, and avert maybe? That'd be a good one. Hell yeah. So alert. Cool. All right. That was fun. Had to get our games in. I would like to take profit at 1 hour demand down here. I'll post in the Discord. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and go skiing. So have a good rest of your guys' day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a Friday stream. Take it easy.